Hello friends, welcome to Free Cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we will discuss about a new project which is called Bitcoin 2. What is Bitcoin 2? As we know that currently in the crypto market there are many cryptocurrency launched with their respective features and advantages. The presence of these various cryptocurrencies makes the crypto markets more competitive, and this can also solve various problems that were previously unsolved. For example, Ethereum was launched to be a cryptocurrency that is more flexible and can be applied more easily than Bitcoin. Until now, there are thousands of cryptocurrency launched by various platforms globally, and every according to the forecast that is the future, there will be more cryptocurrency launch into the crypto markets. Seeing the growing crypto markets, now is a good opportunity to be able to launch cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin 2. It is a new cryptocurrency that will innovate payment system globally. What Bitcoin 2 has the offer is not inferior to other cryptocurrencies, and even more so Bitcoin 2 claim to be better. Bitcoin 2 will offer user a coin that will work to secure their transactions. Bitcoin 2 will offer coins with high privacy and security and various other features, which will be innovations in global payment systems. Bitcoin 2 features. The features offered by Bitcoin 2 enable user to make transactions more secure and privacy with be maintained. Bitcoin 2 will use blockchain technology that utilize asymmetric cryptography for securing transactions among users, so that the almost no transaction can be hacked by irresponsible persons. But that's not all. There are several other features of Bitcoin 2. Highest security. Designed with high security in mind, Bitcoin 2 will offer user a coin that can rely on for more secure and hack-free transactions. So that by using Bitcoin 2, user can make transactions worry-free. Transactions per seconds. Bitcoin 2 claims that they offer faster TPS compared to Bitcoin, which is where it will be great for user transactions. Average transaction confirmation time. User can complete a transaction faster than Bitcoin. So user can make more transaction with less confirmations time. Ethereum network. Bitcoin 2 will use the Ethereum network to provide user with a coin that is better than Bitcoin. Tokenomics. As a coin launched for the global payments market, Bitcoin 2 will be the cryptocurrency that will facilitate user transactions globally. Bitcoin 2 allow user to earn this token from available exchanges such as SBIT or CoinsBit. This coin will mainly be a utility token that can be used by user for various cases, and user can freely use this token for their various needs. This is a token based on the Ethereum network, which in the future will continue to grow and have more users. Hope you will enjoy the short review of Bitcoin 2. Meet you again with new another bounty projects. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.